Welcome to the MBS Engineering channel. Today, we will discuss the bag pinch. The following topics will be discussed today. The first topic is, what is the bag pinch? Next, the second topic is the importance of the bag pinch. Next, the third topic is the recommended dimensions for the bag pinch. In the upcoming slides, we will cover this topic in detail. Next, we will learn and understand the first topic is, what is the bag pinch? When a cage is placed inside of a filter bag, there is a section of the filter bag that should be pinched together. This is called the bag pinch. Next, a major cause of failures in pulse jet systems is improper fit of the filters to the support cage. For proper performance of the pulse jet filters, the fit relationship between the bag and cage is critical. Filters that are too loose or too tight will severely limit collection efficiency and lead to premature failure. Please refer to the picture for a better understanding. Next, we will learn and understand the second topic, importance of the bag pinch. If the pinch is too much, it will absorb the pulse jet energy and not clean the filters properly. If the pinch is too tight, the cage may not be able to fit inside of the bag. Please refer to the picture for a better understanding. Next, we will learn and understand the third topic is, recommended dimensions for the bag pinch. For standard felt filter bags, a pinch of about ½ inch is generally appropriate. While this measurement works well for most situations, there are exceptions. In high-temperature systems that use fiberglass bags, the pinch becomes particularly problematic. Because fiberglass is fragile, these bags are less able to fold when pinched and are likely to break. To determine the appropriate pinch, subtract the cage circumference from the bag circumference and divide the result by 2. Refer to the chart below to find the recommended amount of excess fabric to allow based on the type of bag and the suitable support cage. We hope this explanation clarifies what is the bag pinch and the importance of the bag pinch and recommended dimensions for the bag pinch. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. We appreciate your likes and comments.